All right, everyone, Easter is almost upon us, and you guys need some Easter cocktails. So today we are making, don't judge my garnish. It needs a little help. Hold on. I fisk. Stay. We have these, oh my goodness, I almost said snow bunny. The Strawbunny Margarita. For this cocktail, we are going to be shaking, so make sure you have your shaker tin at the ready. Jigger for accurate measurement. We are going to be using fresh lime juice, so have your hawthorn and your mesh strainer ready. I've got 2 strawberries that we'll be muddling first and foremost. Then we have our fresh lime juice, orange liqueur, cream of coconut, and then your favorite brand of tequila. I do also have some extra strawberries for our garnish later on. And then we are going to be salting the rim. So I do have a very interesting looking lime going on over here that we're going to use that to rim. And because we're muddling, you do need a muddler as well. As always, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way that you can build the cocktail right along with me. We're going to start off by muddling 2 strawberries. So we're going to plop those right in there. Again, you're not pulverizing. Oh my goodness. You're not pulverizing. Maybe in this case we do need to pulverize. Just muddle it enough that the juices are going to be flowing in there. Just so that way you kind of have an idea. Like there's still some chunks in there. But that's kind of where it is. All right. So we have, where'd my jigger go? Okay, so we have 1 ounce of our fresh squeezed lime juice. We've got 0.5 ounces of our orange liqueur. Oh, bless me, people. We've got 0.75 of our, me and the cream of coconut do not get along. I don't know what it is. Come out, you. It either doesn't come out at all, like right now, for God's sakes, or it explodes everywhere, or does that. Oh, for the love of Pete. Oh, okay. Oh, that was exhausting. Okay. And watch, now it's not going to come out of here either. Yep, just as I suspected. All right, so we're going to help our cream of coconut find its rightful path to its cocktail. Get out of there. Vacate. Technical difficulties, people. Technical difficulties. Okay. Then we're going to finish off with 2 ounces of our favorite brand of tequila. So then we are going to fill our shaker tin up with ice, shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the shaker tin is ice cold in our hands. Okay, so we did use our fresh lime juice. So we've got our hawthorn strainer. But before I pull out my mesh strainer, because I don't want to have too much stuff going on, I already got a whole lot of mess happening up in here. See, look at this. Good Lord, help me. Okay, so we are going to be putting this in a rocks glass. So we're going to take our very sketch looking lime here because my husband does not know how to cut limes.
Juice it. It's got no juice left.
Excuses. All right, so we're going to go all the way around. And then I've got our salt happening up in here. Got a nice little salt rim going on there. We are going to also put ice into this as well. That should be about good. About 3/4 of the way full. All right, so then we're going to pull out our mesh strainer here. Especially because we muddled those strawberries. This is going to be catching a whole lot of strawberry pieces. Come on, you. So much strawberry. Oh, but my gosh, I'm not kidding. You guys should smell this. It smells amazing. And don't get me wrong, I smell a good amount of tequila. However, that strawberry smells amazing. All right, same thing. I'm going to just give it a little bit of help. Just because we've got a lot of pulp coming from that fresh muddled strawberry going on here. Just going to give it a little bit of help coming through that mesh strainer. All right. 2 hours later. I mean, but look at that. Look at all that pulp.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot.
See? A lot of pulp. So, y'all say the mesh strainer ain't doing its job. There she have it. Okay. So, to finish off this cocktail, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to skewer these. I cut these strawberries in advance. So, in theory, we got some little bunny cocktails or little cocktails.
Cocktail.
I got cocktails on the brain, y'all. All right, so we got our little bunny ears. Oh, look at how cute.
It's cute.
Isn't that cute? It's so cute. All right, and there you have it, our Strawbunny Margarita. Well, okay, I'm not even sure how to take a sip of this. We're gonna figure it out together. Oh, there's a piece of lime. Hold on. Yeah.
I was wondering if that was gonna happen.
Oh yeah. Oh, the strawberry is just, it's the perfect amount of strawberry. It's not overwhelming. Just a hint. You still taste the beautiful tequila. You still taste a little bit of that orange liqueur. This is a highly liked cocktail. As always, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know if you're trying the cocktails, because I'm just going to say, if I'm drinking alone, I'm going to be really freaking disappointed. Y'all should be drinking along with me. You should be making my cocktails too. Until the next pour, guys, cheers.